It was over the weekend with demonstration be so Ghana had I say Ghana First Alliance group together with Raf the fellow Ghanaian, Amaro Shakur and some of the NDC social media activists. Omo kambo a demonstration be ATL South African and South African owned companies or Ghana had more. Now that demonstration Ghana for in fact omo any Raf e dia be sieni omo kekoma adwen pa e de kire Raf. But you dwam amwate ase no kire wadwen e dia mame. Ewo comment section how you PENYAH block media mess for say ni mu obe like video that my subscribers and somebody click notification icon of latest update somebody tell why that mama ewo comment section oba so a no share for anya bia hwe oto for so share that montri be bia so a your ho no mo at PENYAH block media we actually kwai na if we ho na post everyday news and updates in flyers and in short video forms na wo hu the atwa Ghana harem now let's go to the conversation onu mo say dance enche bia ana media so de ade aya to the xenophobic attack ajeswafa de nyina so call South Africa ekuo bi ise ekuo no omayomu ho anti-immigrant task force ewo South Africa honomo ai nipa oda no eye Jacinta Mangomezi Zuma Zille ono ana oda that task force I say from 2023 eba ana omu commence this task force omu eye adwuma omu omu botanyina nse obi a owning krata afa kwambo no so abewura South Africa honomo no omu pam no but akwa point be say omu di afra obi a so ukran krata o owning krata o omu say go back go back to your go back to your country, go back and fix your own country. I say go back and fix your country. Just a man go busy. Wajia bosso oba besi ya santoa or pam will be a free mem. I must say videos are fly on the internet no ahomete. Police if wo gina ho na ye bu obi asa aban ne efo Nkwaseafuo Jacinta any ni group ye wo South Africa asa aban ne force. Na you know e ba ye na say e de abufuo aba Africa hanamo obi abu of ama even Nigeria kra no na omuso a start e retaliate omo ka kire omo Nigeria say na omuso mu free ho no mo ye mpenkwa asem monko eni ade na enam so ma Ghana hanamo ye kofa ye nkofo ba ye mpebone ye aban ne ye nhye ma okuzisa blakwa ye kofa ye nkofo ed omo aba ama omo aba bedrofie na you know ohwe ade a ekọ so ho no na Ghana for no ne foreigners na omo South Africa ho no no omo companies on ko bia say enwuma mo ko bia ho no no aye these petty you know provision shops ne those shops keten ya say mu free kro no mu kokora na they can still survive without you people they can survive just say omo ni state owned big company bia say eno no so omo kwa oman no ho ba chiri omo ebi say ni ho no mo ezo omo pam obi afro mu a they don't care but uba Ghana ha no mu a there were so many South African owned companies in Ghana. Absa Bank bako. And Absa Bank there were so many branches across the country. Ghana. MTN a South African owned company. MTN ya Ghana dia. Enya dia. Starlink enya dia. Starlink is ya na Bama bloggers akese ne just omo edipa kukudam companies akese eno be network bia isu. Starlink enya dia a South African owned company. Now say, compare Ghana ye South Africa. Say South Africa focus omo pam ya omo panye from mu a omo affect omo. But say ye ka say ye pam omo egu omo nyuma nyina wo Ghana ha. E be affect ye. Because imagine the last time crime TN for omo ka say shark bi akoka omo underwater on cable mu. Ye nyina hu the course of Ghana ha. MTN take call just about 2-3 days bi no. Ya so ye shit. Yaso yeshi pana enya sheketwa something ka sumo gomadwuma yawu enya easy enya se ohwe Ghana and South Africa issue na koso na omo upper hand because enyuma Ghana from bia just these petty shops provision shops ne hairdressing shops there's a spa shops these shops and bia hono eti na omo pam Ghana for na nam so ma Ghana for so de abufuo eti na nsem ana fly bi eba yese demonstration be because on the 11th of June 2026 demonstration because Ghana had I say demonstration omo organizers Raf the fellow Ghanaian Ghana First Alliance group and some social media NDC activists omo bloggers omo na kan humbo omo and then Thursday no omo the demonstration trench share so wa Accra montene so.
So you say you need to buy it. Chairman, we are signing mining licenses to people. Omode build your muku. You come on here, catch up. Master, let's go for the minister. It is just calling the minister. When she has take my phone, call the minister. Take my phone, call the minister. We have to get the minister. We need on the minister or the deputies. There should be some level of, we are working for the people. And I know yes, the minister will pay us. So we are there for the lawyers. A senior legal advisor to the ministry, you pick the call. So I don't want you to come back and tell us, Mr. Makwanya, Goldfield CEO na Bahanoma. Me donya me sen ko be jai do ye. Yeah. I said you oba pe bro ni be sign contract kakra be ba. Na wo tena ho. Obeba. But I had me ya ba be jam me 12 or 16. Leadership of this country will never take the youth serious because you have given a say a political party and by now it's sad. You understand? If there is any communication, it's not much about the leadership should come. They should talk to us here, and you do feeling like when you can say leadership in everything there's leadership. But the youth to the leadership. Hold on. I love what you are saying.
Say Takwa Gold Mines, South African ni any relation is on mining. Send mining agreement leasing man on expiration arena. Nisa buying no every new license. Some license I think say this year and next year. Just say license Nisa renew adema omu. Emma demonstration no kwaya kodu point be say they were saying say South Africa from abebie nyuma bi say Absa Bank na we say pamomu na egu bank no Emma even Amaro Shakur ka say Emma obi amfan sika nkoto Absa Bank bie Omanya anya sika office fefe and omo pamu Ghana for South Africa said ye Jimmy koto de le bodu anya nche de ye fa bo mo no kunu Ghana ni be na si da fefe to say I was South Africa Bibisamo Ghana ni be na si da fefe to say South Africa babu de mo omo babu de mo nya ho moti ye gold anya mu adodo de mo nya ho sika anya mu de si ada fefe ye pamu mo ye bubu ko fere ni ye catch them next time no you be demonstration you be go round you go round sika bi e ho ye se be ye dia kwa South Africa company yes omo na aba be si yes the rest of oya Ghana ni a ensebu company we dey bet maka no ensebu ha omo nya sika edit to mu ko ebu ha that means up say South Africa company no ekoso ensebu ha say be you free wa ya dey yan ko bubu dan no ya everyone so quite Absa Bank. That's it. Absa Bank. Amaro Shakur incited the people of Ghana against the Absa Bank, forgetting say Ghana for na etia ye ni sika gu Absa Bank wono mo. Enya hoho. Ghana for onua Ghana ni ye sika da ho. As Absa Bank as o magu adwuma no o mu kwa ye wu. Ye nuamo Ghana for sika be lock no. Enya easy. Emma omu say me say hu ye ko hu say omu hu MTN Ghana for pick up omu officers me car ba ko elko na omu akọ gada car no ho e bo car no tutuo MTN away ye nya mu nkomu krom nya de ade And I was like, more demonstration, no. Ye ti mu nyina gyina hɔ no mo. Ni abusa mo sɛ obi amɔ ne phone number bɛn na mo bɛbɔ. Phone number bɛn na mo bɛbɔ. Si aka so ke ye send mu sika edi fa wo momo number bra momo number bɛba no automatically MTN na bɛbɔ. But mo refi mo ho ana omu hu MTN ka MTN away forgetting say MTN company no. It is just that it is owned by a South African, but the workers over there Ghana for MTN ekuta 10,000 plus of Ghanaians across the country working in their company. And yes, South Africa or Ghana so be a company, we be a company more. Because okay, but me they were technical expert abaha. But so upe labor force, upe labor sa. This offer Ghana for your mra or this offer Ghana for near be year adwuma ni bi nya sa ya ma kwam bi o company no ha ya ma kwai. Upe labor sa. This offer Ghana for on fire. So how don't call free amana na be bi adwuma no ha no edon be guma ye ntia se ma sa. MTN airboa Ghana. After bangi unko no Ghana for no ho teles ka shares na de managers na Ghana for. But enkofu enwura fio mo ho. Omura fi say bloggers o mdina nya ho no mi. Video na omu twa kura na MTN network 4G eno de ko post video no. De onyi so MTN dodo na isu Starlink wo fie. Starlink na dodo na isu but omura fio mo common sense an kan kire mo say demonstration hunu na omu ye nyanse bia nim. Because the more you say MTN away, no same MTN can say away your corner. O video na ye nka beda posti. Sometimes mo ye bibia mo fa adwene ni nyansa ka kranto ho. In fact, and the calculation demonstration because now rough and the bloggers ni bi elko amana o di bloggers ni bi atam nyina je say Nkwaseafuo ahia etake decision enye yeda. Nkwaseafuo aka mo bob etu agina engosi aga. Eti demonstration no mo ye no ko media no so a Ghana for no ene rough abe clash. No just say rough sebi. Onya ejime no na oman no enya ne dia
mo tu mu nso mo ye demonstration tia South Africa for mu companies e wokurum yanum sei so mo nko no mu nim nyansa Amaro Shakur ne Raf mu die ne mu nyina mu nim de mo ye adwene de adwene bi ne muti mu ni dwumadi se mu nim de mo ye anka mo badwene de mo ye no mo badwene de mo ye no ho hu se de mo ye no mu ba manfo no adwene na to ogu MTN office South Africa for the MTN South Africa wonu mamanfo Ghana ni padodo e adwuma MTN apsa won da be no akwa to South Africa ni ti won adwuma ho da be no akwa MTN office bia o Ghana no makon South Africa ni adwuma ni padodo MTN for afo mo mo adwuma munim de mo ye ka munim de mo ye mu adwuma di aka mo ono rafo na aye no kukuti bibia oni nim nyansa no nyansa dodo ye jimi nyansa dodo e jimi munim faso e nya free South Africa for no so companies o Ghana munim faso e nya free mo so da ben wonam Ghana an musi how many times na Ghana an musi wa share South Africa ni ukrumia se Ghana ya ban ye ana ban ye nduma pa te se de o mo ban ye na nka ye ntu kwan ko ba bia o ka me se Ghana o pa country tu kwan kran Ghana ada because of ye bi bia nye enti mu wani bre bia mo fa so ma ban so mo fa mo ni bre nko so ban so nya wo mo munum faso enye furu omuso MTN office ko hwe nipa dodo e adwuma ho Ghana fo nipa dodo e adwuma ho da be na okoto South Africa ni order apsa ho no na mo se mo obi anse wiska ho no da be na makoto South Africa ni ze wote wo no ye bank manager ho adwene nya adwuma unum nipa dodo omo se omo sako omo no Ghana ha chese why blogging wonya kakra wonya sikanti no wu kutu obi anu adwene agu Ghana network papa be ne wo apart from MTN Ghana network papa be ne wo munum de mo ye na munum de mo ye nka madwene ho hu se de mo ye na jimisem kra na mo ye no de mo nyinam kra ho no muni dwumadi na mo nam kra nkran ho ye no o mo se de mo ye ne nye o mo ye bone o mo die but no that means o mo companies o Ghana munum faso ye nya furu o mo so madwene nye
Amaro Shakur ne Raf mo ne sa mu team na mo ne na ma mo ye sa mu protest no muni dwumadi senka mo dwumadi na mo wa adwene da mo tiri mu a nka sa ne ma we no nka mo nye any say that same mistake now South Africans and we are singing turning against them no and na mo insinuate and na mo concord say embra Ghana. What do you really want to tell Ghanaians? Just say mo say mo nko na mo nim nyansa nti de maye bia na ye nyansa sem
South Africans, the brutality, the nasty thing they are doing to foreigners or Ghanaians and Nigerians, no, and more rebate. Sabi, Omaino, and Pejifo Omo, and Yansafo Omo. You can't be sitting on your shoulders and be doing whatever you people you want. Se kamo jumedia, kasani mafuwe no kamonzo soso. Se mako MTN, a national MTN office. To two of my punumu, ye mahunu. Mutina ye. Do you know the number of people at MTN, I employer or two omoka? The number of Ghanaians are omo enjoy omo life or MTN. Do you know the number of people at Absa Bank I employ? Mo and suko no money na mo se abanino ento. Ghana police, move monensi from the president of the republic. According to says uncle for we no mboa mo campaign inti. If omu din kwasem omu din semhunu a muntimi nka omasem yeti kroma na raf eko hospital eko din kwasem ye hu de amode ye no all because oboa mo campaign sabi oman no mpanyifo omo ye hwe master nsuko no ma wefo ne ma mesei oman ne nkosa akwa. Tell them to stop whatever they are doing. Ghana police, stop them. How can you go to MTN so create protest? How can you go to ABSA? How can you tell foreigners? What authority do you have? South Africans for Jimia, a binuma Jimia, excuse my word. South Africans did be near Jenny. Na omobe this answer munu we are. Chese monso so na mse muni juma bintino. Most are protesting against it. What's the meaning of what you are doing? In fact, our people are home. Glory be to God. Some of them, I'm not saying that is not it, but at least they are not they are now for now. It has been an opportunity for the person to revamp or to revive the life. So what are you doing? What are you trying to do in Ghana? Ghana is one of the most beautiful countries. Oh, sorry, I'm pay investors. Ghana, kura, aho bempa, abrofoba, ebe share your tourist sites. Ema Ghana yenyeska, Ghana kura. Even si yenya abrofumpa, we can't leave. So what you people are doing? Don't you know it will create fear and panic to the foreigners living in Ghana?
And no matter because we Ghana memu ase aho, ana am sorry. Sometimes ana go say ade me nkwa na ma adwene nye e Ghana memu ana. On go for na ewusu no. On be so use strategy bi ma Ghana for. Na hwe kwan kra on be so use sa on strategy. One South Africa for company ya, gold mining company ya. Ghana ban so o renew bi e ma South Africa for. All because of say they see was South Africa and Ghana for them. And na Ghana ban so ntimi fa force say o renew company ni de e mo. Because they are South Africa for and Ghana for that so ye our negotiation be na say relationship be that so ye our entem. And unti esa Ghana ban so ye e use some strategy be ye de mo. Na kwa ye say e timemi for na e Ghana memu ase no. Emom ne empene se mo ye de mbotu gold no. And unti almost more mo call for. Sa call for na Ghana ban ye de esmo mo. Ye nim Amaro Shakur NDC ni. Raf no kwa de no yem tanche obi ya NDC ni. Say +1 TV say wan yo. Ono so NDC ni. Omo so kwe dede. No mko baba boys na no kwe de mo bi say Ghana for. And na all fight against many company ne nko ade a South Africa for so be de e be ti mo plan no. And South Africa for company e wo Ghana memu anyina e fight against omo. So what na make na say. Ana ya boss anko for power. Ana on the time we ya sa ka to omutirim say Monka se Ghana for na pese etu gold no. Yema Ghana for na etu gold no. Ana Ghana for to gold na one ebitu nye Ibrahim ama. Enu tie obo Ghana for di no. Omom ye pese omutu Ghana gold no. O si Ibrahim ama ne Kwame Despite. Kwame Despite on to gold onye mining setter. No Kwame nim se Kwame Ochire ho. Cheda munya ho. Nick Danso abiam ho. Angela List. Omunyina ho. Many companies will be there Ghana for the Ghana for near to Nenso Ibrahim Mahama Edi no beso me de ebo automatically eba near the Ibrahim Mahama near Kase Nye ne de ma beri ma mo Ghana for na e de mo say ana se ni masa mo dwuma de na mo di no.
Whoever is falling for this demonstration is a big fool. I'm telling you the fact. Whoever is going for a demonstration for Ghanaians being treated there in South Africa is a big fool. I'm telling you the fact. You know, why do we like to always, focus on what is happening or problems instead of solutions? You get what I'm saying? Some call for no organized demonstration. They were the people fighting for Galamsey. They were the people fighting for nurses. They were the people fighting for the good people of Ghana. Abayani Sissan, John Mama Bayanu, they have not been able to achieve even one. Galamsey is Gusua Kosu. Everything is still going on. And these people went back as an agenda for the NDC to be like they are demonstrating maybe in favor or like they are in stand for the people maltreated in South Africa. How can you tell me this? These people are hypocrites. Raf is a hypocrite. Amaro Shakur is a hypocrite. And whoever is involved in this demonstration or organizing this demonstration is a hypocrite. Go and tell John Mahama to do things well so that no one, to make the society comfortable so that no one will leave Ghana and go and work. Have you ever seen any South African in Ghana roaming about? Have you ever seen any South African in Ghana doing anyhow? No, let's be honest to ourselves and stop this hypocrisy.
And the boy no can say a diner or Nkwaseafuo no. South Africa for besi a de abi banga e absa saa dan no mfirim South Africa for nko kurum na Ibrahim ama emesom operating nipa no all right there all right so munu South Africa for boabo nipa MTN ba ko pe no kura no employees ya won no MTN eni Ghana for mo ye adwuma MTN no muntimi ngan yo ebi ma ye de sisi o mu fie ebi ma ye de wale hwe o mo ire mo no o mo ma me MTN adwuma ma ye de ahwe nkola mienu e wo training college abeja be se o mu nko o mu kurom mo ko ga South Africa mo ko bo bra pa no mo ama o papa ndi plane ko si ho no kwandam fo ne baaye o mo mani abre so o matu kwan e ko bo bra no o ma ama minu abe ma ho ne ire ne ma minu am bebre na South Africa o mpose nya fun so a na kwa monti se BBS ati amoto wade o monko o mukrom e na South Africa fo nko na Ibrahim ama meto aso o bibi pa bi ma ya ko nya ma e me kwa nga sama ba despite ro kwa do bi e bank dada na me so me ka so me fa sa dan no e fa ntre na shim se Ibrahim ama baba be operate me send this for bi na adwene mutirim adwena nkasa ebi ni mutirim obi na abra no ho abie ne nwuma wosi ye kɔ me ye pamoma momako na saa absadan no Ghana ni ban na akosi bi wa South Africa DSTV ni omo dia munim banks wa Ghana absa no munim nipa dodo Ghana fo mabuna omo ye adwon absa munim Ghana fo mabuna omo ye adwon ma MTN masa munya asa mu 2x4 demonstration no ne ani abere adwuma be na o mai mu begu MTN mu gu absa mu gu sa Zenith Bank o sa Eco Bank o sa dende mo ya all right there but somebody dey am here dey need me o mo nkwana mo sa amena bi mo ate ane mo nsem nu mu tuba adentina eni patra na mama kofo mu free South Africa by mo from na say ni patra mo nye demonstration o ko mo sa mo yale o munya kwan no mbesa ko South Africa ho mo deda
I Ghanaians na ye demonstration no. Omo anom ye demonstration no. Aban bi abeba bia omo tikuo. Emra NPP e wa aban mu no. No omo kuo ni din e de fix the country. Aban sisan ya NDC ba ye no. Omo so omo kuo ni din the Ghana first. Obia be humo mo. Obia be humo. E na South Africa company bi eni wa
free Ghana ha ko ba bia sene ye no omote asomdwe mu no ye no omo betena saa MTN oni ba bia ko because private company why employ Ghana for do pa MTN say ye no omote ni first near from blàst and a bar riba and a bar MTN ye no omo dokra de Ghana any MTN dokra de eto okra nyantwa ye and a demonstration wenti and MTN eba be free Ghana hako na yakoje quickly way mo kra mo ho nyina mo ye demonstration mo de MTN ka omka so mbeda mo ko mbachi mu nyina agum ombachi mu nyina agum enya mo demonstration wenti na MTN eba be ko MTN me yada mutu me ho kire me a kpakpakpakpa na mama me quick loan me mpewe na me peden mu ni ba bia ko se me time achi
Chira wa den fama me e wo comment section. Hi Penya Block Media. Akra.